Alright, so since it says that we need to make a scatter plot of this, we're going to have to put this in our calculator. So in your calculator, first press your y equals. Clear anything out that you have, and then press your stat key and edit. Whatever you have in there, you want to go up onto list 2, clear, enter, and the same with list 1, clear, enter. Since it says our x's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter those in list 1. Go over to list 2 and enter 26. Negative 4, make sure you use your negative button. Negative 2, 2, 2, and 16. Now to see the scatter plot, you're going to have to press your y equals, go up onto plot 1, hit enter, and come off. It should now be turned on. Then you're going to have to hit zoom 9, which is zoom stat, because we put it in our stat button. So zoom 9. And we're going to sketch that scatter plot. Now we also need our labels and our scale on this, not just our quick plot. So obviously this is 1 and this is 6. The X is the weeks, the Y is the money made. I'm going to see what Y's they did, so I'm going to press my window key. My Y is a negative 9, so that's got to be down here below my negative 4. My max Y is 31, so that's got to be up here at the top above my 26. So I'm going to put my 31. And I have everything labeled and scaled. Now, you're going to have to think about taking a pencil and flowing through these points. If you flow through those points, what would you have? Quadratic, cubic, or quartic? It would be quartic because it's somewhat W-ish. Now remember, your quartics can look like parabolas too, but they're going to have to be like really flattening out, doing really strange things other than W-ish. So let's go to Stat, Calculate, and it's going to be quart. So that's number 7. Enter. So we will do a quartic, and our equation reads y equals, right here, y equals ax to the 4th. Well, a is 1. So 1x to the 4th minus b 15x cubed plus 81x squared minus 183x plus 142. Now notice on your calculator you have a down arrow. If you go down, it should give you your coefficient of determination, r squared equals 1. What does that mean? It means we have a very strong correlation. In fact, we have an exact correlation. Now it says use your function to predict sales for 10 weeks. So f of 10. So I need to put this equation into my calculator. So I'm going to press y equals. I'm going to type that equation. X to the fourth minus 15x to the third plus 81x squared plus 142. Oops, minus 183x, I forgot. And I'm going to hit enter. I want f of 10. So I could go to my table and scroll down to 10. So to get table, I have to do second graph. Scroll to 10, I get 1412. In 10 weeks, I'm making lots of money off of that lemonade stand. And if you want to see that equation come through your points, just press your graph key now. And look how strongly it fits those points. Okay, let's try one more. At my church, the following number of weddings occurred during each month. In January was month 1, February is month 2, etc. Make a scatter plot of this data. So, I'm going to have to go to my stat. First, I'm going to press my y equals, and I'm going to clear out my equation. Then I'm going to go stat, edit. Up onto the lists and clear. I'm going to enter 1, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. 2 in list 2, 11, 17, 37, 66, 78, and 60. Then it should be zoom 9 because I left my plot on. So I'm going to jot this down. What is that looking like? Cubic. So I'm going to go stat, calculate, cubic. Enter. So I get y equals negative 1.1882x cubed plus 14.3276x squared minus 34.0362x plus 23.1639. Coefficient of determination, r squared equals 0.9946. What does that mean? Very strong. Predict how many weddings in September, which would be month 9. So this will be f of 9. Need to put my equation in. Y equals. I'm going to type that in. Negative 1.1882x to the third plus 14.3276x squared minus 34 0.0326 x plus 23.1639. Then I'm going to go to my table. And f of 9, I got to go up. Oh, that doesn't look very good. Let me try my y equals again. Did I type something wrong? Negative 1.882. There, that looks a little better. 11 weddings. Which would make sense. I should be coming back down. All right, you have your homework to work on, and you have a sheet of these regressions.